In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paint in Canva. Hi everyone! If you've ever wanted to sketch ideas, add hand-drawn accents, or create simple illustrations right inside your design, this is a quick and beginner-friendly walkthrough to get you started. First, open Canva and create a blank design with the canvas size you prefer. Think about where your artwork will live. Social posts often use square or vertical sizes, while presentations or wallpapers work best in widescreen. Pick a preset size or a custom one that fits your project so your painting looks crisp from the start. On the left sidebar, click Tools. This panel houses extra creative features beyond basic text and shapes. From there, select Draw. The drawing workspace will appear with options across the top so you can customize how your brush behaves. Now choose your drawing tool. Pen gives you clean, precise lines, great for outlines and details. Marker lays down a thicker, softer stroke that feels more expressive. Highlighter adds translucent color, perfect for shading, emphasizing areas, or layering gentle color washes. And of course, there's the eraser, which you'll use to clean up edges or remove anything you don't want. Next, pick a color and adjust settings like thickness from the top menu. Try starting with a medium thickness so you can go thinner for details and thicker for fills. You can fine-tune opacity if you want lighter strokes, especially when using the highlighter. If you're using multiple colors, it helps to choose a simple palette before you begin to keep your painting cohesive. Now click and drag on the canvas to start painting. Use confident, steady strokes, and build from broad shapes to smaller details. If you want smoother edges, zoom in a little so you can be more precise. You can switch tools at any time, like using the pen for outlines and the marker for bolder fills, then layering the highlighter to add depth or texture. If you make a mistake or want to tidy up, switch to the eraser tool to remove parts as needed. You can adjust the eraser size for quick cleanup or fine detail work, which makes refining edges much easier. When you're finished, click Done to save your painting on the canvas. This locks in your strokes as part of the design so everything stays in place while you continue working on the rest of your project. And that's how you paint in Canva. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.